everyone, today we'll be talking about tackling a common problem, which is plastic pollution, which is one of the most dangerous kind of environmental pollution. It is more likely dangerous in places which contains more rivers and has very poor waste management. Plastic bottles mainly gets stored in the water bodies such as rivers, bills, lakes, etc. This type of water pollution and plastic pollution can cause very much harm to nature and also human health. Many campaigns have been taken in the past 2 to 3 decades to solve this problem, but there has never been a completely ultimate solution. And one of the major problems because of this is the motivation, because they don't see any direct result of putting a trash in its suitable place, which is the dustbin or the trash can. So we, the eco cleaners, try to propose an eco-friendly solution, which is also easy for the normal people to earn money and also save the environment. It carries out like this, that a person will enter a plastic bottle in this device. The machine or the model will then evaluate according to the purity and the cleanliness of the bottle and then give it a grade, which will later turn out to points or direct cash. This will help motivate people to put the trashes really in the dustbin where it belongs, because if people doesn't, the environment won't get better. And the main problem of people is their mentality, because we do not have a good mentality. We always feel like that it's slacking, we do not really want to put the trash. So if we get any money and a direct achievement from putting a trash in a trash bin, it will be really good for us. My key role in this project was a dataset collection. I went to various sources to collect the data. I went to local factories, international factories such as Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and I graded their bottles and took their photos, whether it was scratched, whether it was dirty, whether it was intact, or whether it was clean. I took them and I feeded them to my machine, which was used later on for grading. Our project work is divided into 3 parts. The first one is dataset collection, which was already explained by me. The second is all the mechanism of the devices, which will be later explained by my friend Mushfiq. And the third part is the graphical user interface and all the programming part, which will be explained by my friend too. Thank you.
Hello, I am Mushfiqul Islam and I did all the mechanism part of our devices. Building our product, we can see how it works in the simulation. Now let's get to the description. As we have seen, we have to put our water bottle right here, and after that there is a webcam right here which will detect the bottle and test its accuracy and grade. We have Arduino Uno there which is processing all the information and other stuff. We have laptop connected to it, and after measuring the grade and accuracy, it will give us 2 types of bonus. One is currency and another is points. We can pick whatever we want. And if we pick currency, we will get our currency right here. And after that, if we see, there is a large space right here. It is the main storage of our device. It can contain around 400 to 500 grams of plastic. And after it is fully loaded, there is our second device which will go under it and take out all the plastics with it and take it to our sub hub. We have different hubs in housings, in society, in malls, which is fully connected with the main hubs and the international hub. And thirdly, we have our water bot. Why we need a water bot? So as mentioned by my friend Sabit, there is a lot of problems in water bodies, especially in South Asia, if we think. So this bot will pick plastics from the river and take it to the sub hub. It can also carry around 400 grams to 425 grams. So after taking the trash, it will go to the sub hub, and also there our second device will be present. It will take all the trashes in it, and then it will go to the sub hub to deposit the trash or the plastics. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tunu. I have supervised the programming part in this project. I have mainly done the machine learning and the graphical user interface in this project. So let's show the. So here, when I use start camera, the main camera over here has been turned on. This has been done using CV2 or computer vision. I have used computer vision to go in this main webcam. Now, when I use capture, it's gonna capture obviously. Now after I analyze bottle, here we can see it is confidence rate 75% and the bottle grade is C. We've also implemented a grade tier in this model where if the bottle is scratched or if it is completely intact, it can be put in A tier, or if it is scratched or destroyed or it is dirty, it can be put in C tier. Like here, even though it is intact, there is a bit of water, that's why it has been placed in the C tier. Now, this is the premium model. We can also go to the premium model. Here, these are the features of the premium model. Here, we can get advanced bottle detection and grading. We can earn coins, virtual coins for recycling plastic bottles, batch process, or we can get two or three processes at the same time. Also, like we can get 2 or 3 water bottles mixed in one go. Then we can get detailed bottle assessments, environmental impacts statistics like is it recyclable or not, and we can also give customer support. Now let's just log in. You can also sign up if you don't have an account. Here I have unlocked my premium feature after login. Now let me show you some perks. I can get advanced analysis, batch process, and I can also export results, aka I can also get a printout of the results I got for clear verification for customer support. Now let's try batch process 1. I have started camera again. It is the same one. Is the second image that I have captured. Now I can get here. This is some data sets that we have collected. We'll give them from to a batch process. Here you can see we have earned 3 points for the bottle we have given, and it is a grade C tier, as it is the grade C tier we have seen. Here I have gotten 3 points from the given result in the batch process and advanced analysis. Here it is acceptable condition. This bottle shows a visible wear or damage, but it is still fully recyclable as the advanced analysis project, the main UI. And here we can also see the machine learning where it is able to detect whether it is bottle or not. If we give anything other than bottle, it will simply show unknown object. Okay, I have not entered any other objects in it, thus it will just say error or objects. That's it.
Let's see our trial or our presentation of our project.